start recording again because I
need to tell you, mom said that you sounded like you're talking.
What?
My mom said you sound like you're talking on a toilet or something. In a toilet.
Yeah, that makes sense.
She said, yeah, that makes sense.
Well, I am a little echoey. It's the ginormous cavern thing. All right, here, let's go. Follow me. Don't get sucked in. Pause. Okay. Hey.
Why am I going so like fast? Like, it's pushing me. Why am I going? It's pushing me.
It's pulling you in. Because it makes it for a faster way to escape this place.
You there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm looking for some lava ore. I can't find any.
I'm gonna let go of my hand right now. I'm gonna fall.
Oh, that was close. I almost fell. Or I almost went in. Okay.
How are you not getting sucked in?
I am. I just have enough power and force to not get it. Okay.
Why is there obsidian plate here?
Oh, that was close. Oh my gosh. Almost just fell.
Why does it keep
Follow me.
I don't like this.
Oh my gosh. Yo, where are you going? Okay, come on.
No, where are you? Oh, I see.
Okay, when the lava lowers, jump, go. No. Oh my gosh. Oh, quail.
It's still
Oh my gosh. What a save.
I'm at half though.
Well, that's okay. Cause if the Eye of Ra sees us, we're immediately cooked, unless we hide. So, come on. Uh-oh. Come here. They might see us. Stay low. Oh my, lava, don't stay that low.
Why it's still pulling me in for some reason?
I was gonna say, do you have your umbrella open?
They're right there.
What?
Hide us.
Yeah, I see them.
They're right there. Hide us with the umbrella.
Oh, they're super close. They're super duper close.
Didn't see. Why is the
Oh my gosh, the Eye of Ra almost got me. He almost got me.
No, the little lava thing is still trying to
Bro, I might be cooked. Okay. The Eye of Ra almost got me, like, right there.
I'm stuck. I just can't.
Oh! He almost got me, bro. He almost got me. Oh, I might be cooked. Let's go back. Quick. Quail, quick. Go. Mission impossible. Oh,
not taking me in now.
We made it.
Okay, yes, that's so good.
We did it.
I'm gonna go jump on a mountain.
Whee! There's something bad that's bound to happen to me.
Retro, look.
What?
If you do this, you fall down. If you do this, you fall down.
Yeah, I know.
Like, immediately.
That was the
Lucky.
place that made me quit Animal Company for a while.
Hey, some ore. I'm gonna take it.
Yeah, take that ore. Bro, we need to be able to get
There's nothing.
to the planetarium, bro.
Where is it?
Animal Company. Scary game. Alright, I'm going through the whole the place, okay?
I'm getting ores and stuff.
Oh, are you going like all the way in?
Not all the way in, but like at the entrance.
I don't see you. I see the spider. I see the spider. I can see the spider through the thing, the glitch spot. That's the spider. That spider is viciously scary. I can hear him breaking the oars. The spider is just like walking across a thing. Be careful. He's like going in a certain array or a pattern. Yo, quail. Quail, where are you? Okay.
At the entrance of the cave.
Yo. So, the spider... Turn around, turn around. The spider?
Yeah.
The spider is going that way and that way.
Yeah, I saw him. I saw him once.
Yeah.
You know, the glitched wall is like right there, and I don't like it.
Yeah, me neither.
Don't go over there anymore.
It scared me a lot.
Yeah, the first time I went in, a mimicry was in there.
Yeah, it made my knees weak. Like, literally. Knees weak, arms are heavy, there's vomit on a sweater already. Mom, spaghetti.
What?
You know exactly what. Okay.
Wait, stop.
Quail,
Why won't it start up?
look.
Why is it not starting up?
No way I got that first try. I hit the correct button first try.
Wait, I don't get the ores though.
Yeah, you do.
Wait, never mind. Yes, I do.
Yeah. Okay, come on.
I got 144.
We gotta do the outro. Come on,
Where we
come
go?
on.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we gotta do our signature outro. California girls, we're unforgettable.
girls, we're
Daisy
unforgettable.
Dukes, we have big yachts. Look
What?
at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Exactly. See ya.
Well,